How to add shortcuts to Windows 11 Start menu. Start menu in Windows 11 is a great tool to launch your favorite apps and programs. But did you know that you can customize it to add shortcuts to your most used applications? Today we'll show you how to do that. Click on Start menu. Then select Settings. Click on Personalization from the left hand side. Then scroll down, click on Start option on the right hand side. Then click on Folders option. Now toggle on the switch which folders you want to appear on the Start next to the Power button. Done. Let's check it. Close the window. See, the shortcuts are appeared on the Start next to the Power button. That's it. You now know how to add shortcuts to the Windows 11 Start menu. Customizing the Start menu with your most used apps and programs will help you save time and be more productive. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Tutorial River channel for more videos.